In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to select an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background like that. Now, tap on those three dots at the top right corner of it and select split view. Now click on a second app you wanna use and enjoy operating in both at once. Now, to close your split view, you can either go back into the background and swipe it like you would any other app, or you can use this line. It can be used to scale your apps, or by holding it and dragging it all the way up or all the way down, you can exit split screen. Just click on home button to close the remaining app. But now, my favorite part, what people miss. You can click on those three dots available at the top of any of your apps and check out all of those options to operate even faster in split screen. You can hit expand, and obviously when your app is bigger, you can then tap on shrink to make split screen even again. You can hit full screen if you want to open your app in full screen view right away. You can tap on switch app if you want to switch any of your apps to another one. For example, let's switch Gmail to photos. And last but not least, you can obviously close your app to exit split view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!